under the Robosoft's CSR initiative, we've taken up a beach cleaning drive. This beach cleaning drive made us realize how our everyday things that we use has created so much of destruction in the nature. You'll be surprised to know that together as a team, we were able to collect 400 kgs of waste. I think it becomes our responsibility to keep our cities and our beaches clean.
ಸೊ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಸಮುದ್ರ ನೋಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಪ್ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಕನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಣ್ಣದು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ.
From Robosoft, we have started beach cleaning at Kodabidri. So beach is contaminated these days very much with littering of the plastics and waste bottles, all those things. So today we ensured that one section of the beach is clean. So we'll continue to do so. So thank you for all the team members and the Robosoft employees for supporting this.